Mario with Pro Terrain and Rooter Service at 4849 Northeast Killingsworth, doing a sewer inspection for a fourplex. Here we're 95 feet from a cleanout behind Unit C, as in Charlie. I can't get past this point. Line is heavily packed full of grease. You can see the camera's in water. I'm going to slowly pull back here. You'll be able to see the amount of grease. ABS pipe pretty flat. So as you look ahead, you can kind of see how that pipe's holding water. Pulling back here, the line is just completely full of grease. Well, it's a 3-inch ABS pipe. As far as I can tell, it could be 4-inch, but it's really hard to tell with the amount of grease that's in this line. I recommend to have this line trailer jetted and then re-inspected. Start to get into some thick grease here, so you can see the coating on the side of the pipe. But further ahead, it's just getting a lot more grease buildup. The line actually wraps around the building. It heads out to the north, then it turns to the east, and then runs behind the building beside this and the next apartment complex to the east. I did identify some line damage or an offset. The house, this place used to be on a cesspool, so where the cast iron to ABS transition is, there's a pretty good offset. Got a lot of grease on the camera lens, that's why it looks foggy. See if I can get that to clear off some. A little bit better. You go ahead and pull back here to where that spot is. I marked it. The clean out behind Unit B is in boy. It heads out to the north and also turns to the east, so picks up a common lateral. So the whole building drains through this line that we're in right now. And this is actually the Y. This is feeding Units A and B. Ties in here about 11 feet from the clean out. So you can see this offset here. I'm actually going to pull the camera out and see if I can wipe it off and get it back in there so you can get a better idea as to what's really going on. There we go. A little clearer picture. This is all the old cast iron pipe, original pipe, and we're approaching that offset. So what they used was a rubber coupler, a Fernco, and looks like that is shifted. So you can actually see the top of the pipe, then it drops down. I mean, the good thing is this offset is working to the advantage of the line. Is kind of creating a little bit of a waterfall effect, but over time that could get worse. With ground settling, that offset could become more. Right now it's probably about an inch and a half of an offset. That spot's been located. I'll go ahead and push out to that Y where it picks up Units A and B. So here's the Y where it picks up Unit A and B. See if I can get the camera over here to where you can see the white spray paint marks there. That's where that offset is. So Units A and B head over there, come by here, pick it up. Then it goes kind of by the fence line and turns and goes to the south. And then, like, I'm not able to get past 95 feet from this clean out due to the extreme amount of grease in the line.